Kiana. Say hey.
My hair looked like a puppy.
A puppy.
I look a puppy.
Stop.
My hair looked like a puppy. I look a puppy.
This side is very thin. This side is really full and thick.
It goes from right here and from right here. Now my mom is finished detangling my hair. Now my hair is done and now it's dry. Do you like it? I never had beads in my hair before. I like my hair because it has beads and because Mommy made it pretty. Oh my goodness me.
You like your hair?
Whoa! I never seen my hair look like this. It's gonna be beautiful, pretty. I know I can hold it because I am so fast. I can even hold it for long. I can do it quickly.
16.
Oh, I know where's that. I know where's that.
Okay, this is 16.
my hair is completely done and I'm gonna wait for it to dry. So I'm gonna turn around all these ways and you can check out how my hair looks. And your name is Y. My name is not Y. My name is J. My name is not Y. My name is J. Your name is not J. Your name is Johnson J. Your name is Little J. And your other name is called Jonathan. Oh, okay.